So we are in Resort World Las Vegas. It's a Hilton property, and we just checked in. I'm gonna do a really quick walkthrough. We're right kind of like in here, so we're in room 59318. Came in with a key. I'm gonna turn this around now. We're in here. So this is just a 1-bedroom. So you're walking in straight to a bathroom on your left. Here you have a full-length mirror. And we'll check out the bathroom first. That's your door. Everything is gold, clean. That's your art. Oh man, I can't wait to take a shower in here. Let's check this out first. You have your tissues. Sink. Wow, hand wash and body lotion. This was probably gonna be really good. I can just tell. Oh yeah. You have your towels down here. There's that rain shower head. And you can adjust your shower. And in here you have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And you can sit down. Let's close this off. You can hang your robe. Oh, you can't open the door completely. How strange. Okay, that's weird, but anyway, so you can't close the door or open it completely. It just kind of stays right there. Okay, so walking in, you have a closet. That's your valet. You have ironing board, an iron, some extra hangers. Here's your bed. Everybody kind of laid down in here with your light. Okay, I'll figure out the plug there, but you're gonna have your phone, USB, plugs. There's a light up here. And this light too. Oh, here, you turn it on like this. And let's just check out the other side. Here's your other light. I'm just turning everything on. And you have a clock, and here you could charge your phone. And you have more USB plugs. Everything is nice and sleek. And then here, these drawers are huge. And there's your safe. So your safe is in one of the drawers. Wow, these are so deep. So I'm gonna put on my clothing there, and here you already have one of these bars that if you touch anything for longer than 30 seconds, then you get charged for it. Ice bucket, I already went to get ice. They even have an intimacy kit. Okay, cool. Your fridge. Oh, this is good. You have a little fridge here, so you can actually like store some things. Television. Trash. Thermostat. And you get 2 chairs with a nice little table here. So I'm actually gonna go down in a minute and get something to eat because I just got here. And then your shades. So you have two shades, you have blockouts. So this is your blackout shade, those are your sheer shades. And you can't see anything right now because it's dark, but it looks like these are just windows. You can't open this. It's just windows. But it looks like we could have like a little balcony. And check this out. Can you see? No. Well, that's the pool. And there's actually like several pools. So I can't wait to see this later. And that's the strip. That's our Encore. We've stayed there before. Okay, so it's dark. I can't film too much. And the room is kind of, it's just a room. But yeah, so I think we're gonna be comfortable here, and I will get back to filming a little bit later. And just, I'm gonna take a look at that shower once again because this is what's amazing. The shower. All right, so we'll continue this in a minute. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is the pool. And I see kids, so this is a good thing. Towels. And it is hot.
Can I get you a few towels?
Yeah, can we get like, I don't know, yeah, 4 maybe?
4? Would you like 4?
3 or 4, yeah, 3 or 4. Thank you.
You got me a couple?
I got 4. Okay, yeah, we'll go. I'm probably gonna be in the pool. This is too cool. And there's lifeguards.
This is probably a bar somewhere.
Oh, let's look for it. I think it was her. No, it's not her. Anyway, I'm gonna stop filming for just a second because I don't like filming people in the pool. Eating area, so you can get food. I'm sure I'm gonna check that out, but this is super cool. Sit by the pool. And that's where we're staying. And we're looking over the pool, so I think that's our room back there. This is like the little kids area. This is super cool. This is one of like, I don't know, 18 pools, like I said. I check out somewhere else. We were just at the pool, and this is what the pool looks like now in the daytime. Like I said, I thought there was like 18 pools, but it looks like it's not that many. So we're hanging out like right over here in this first, I'll point it out later. But yeah, there's a ton of pools. This looks super cool. It was so nice. Can't wait to go back. And here's a view of the mountains. Encore, stayed there before. When we've been there, have not been at Trump. Venetian, I think we've pretty much done like every single hotel on the strip. So now we're here at Resorts World, Hilton. Oh, the thing changes. I was trying to get a picture of a fish. Okay, never mind. There's a fish, now it turned into a mirror, and then like birds flying. So let's see what's next. This is the nice. Maybe we get the fish now. Nope. We're gonna find a way for this. Welcome back. Oh, well, I was gonna come back, but now it's the moon. Okay, we're gonna come back for this. I'm sure we'll see the fish in a minute. Now we're turned into the earth. Yeah. Oh, this is super cool. We'll come back, we'll come back, we'll come back. I'm super excited about this. So this is the Conrad side. This is the lobby. This is different than the Hilton side. So it's actually a lot nicer. The Conrad. Concierge. And then this is the walk to the casino. Stop filming in a minute. Yep, I will stop filming in a minute. And here's your casino. So nice. So clean. Walk over to the Hilton side. That's it. I'm gonna wrap this up for now.